If you would like to use Notion for your study and study notes, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, launch your application, get logged into your account and create a new template. In my case, I've already created one, but you may go ahead, tap on this plus button just beside private and create one. So you can give it the name study notes and simply mention your subject like science, math, or geography. Now let's go ahead and add a note. Once you do so, you have to tap on the plus button and select if it's going to be heading, subheading, or title. Now once done, you can also create a bulletin points and to-do points. You can simply paste the note here or copy the note here. If you would like to add some content, tap on the plus button and then you will see something called text. And simply type in the text right here, whatever you would like. And you can also add to-do list. Tap plus button. Here you will see to-do list. And likewise, guys, in order to take notes and study, all you have to do is tap on the plus bar icon. And here you will see various things that you can add, from images, tables, to contents, and everything. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.